I started chopping.
Yeah.
So we're chopping. We got
Rice
the white
is
rice.
washed.
So we're gonna start. I said I was gonna record this process, but it's the fact that like I'm in the zone. Like I just want to chop. Like I just want to get it done. I'm just gonna finish all of this, and he's gonna start this brown rice.
Yes. First time.
So, yeah.
First time cooking brown rice. Let's see how it goes.
Yeah. So bringing up the beans, but I have everything, like all the veggies and stuff, want them to be soft in it, like it needs to be mixed in it, so I'm cooking it before we put everything else in it, so yeah.
Oh my god.
I just don't know about the rice. The rice. Hey guys, so unfortunately we weren't able to end this video. Everyone pretty much loved the chili and it was gone by the time we realized. Never ended the video. Thank you guys for watching us make chili. Make sure you follow our Instagram and TikTok at official_Megoland. Make sure you like this video, subscribe to our channel, and turn your push notification on so you get notified every time we upload a video. See you in the next one.